This video is sponsored by Webull. They just started that offer again where if you sign up using my referral link in the description below, you will get a whopping 4 free stocks. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Ikhanic Show. It's your host, Inaam Khan, aka Ikhanic. And today, we will do something iconic. So in today's video, I want to go over a few reasons why I'm really starting to like Webull. And then I'm going to continue by going over my Webull portfolio. Now, if you want to know more information about why I believe Webull is a much better platform than Robinhood, I actually do have a video that I go in depth in. You can watch it right here. It's no surprise that Webull is growing at a phenomenal rate. And I think there are two main reasons why I think Robinhood should start to get a little bit worried about Webull. Well, to be honest, I think Robinhood is a little bit worried about Webull already, but I'll get more into that in a little bit. So compared to Robinhood, Webull is an extremely powerful tool. Webull allows you to use indicators, drawing tools, charting capabilities. They let you short stocks and way more. There's a lot more you can do on Webull. Robinhood charting capabilities don't even come close. But there is a downside to all of this. Because Webull has so many powerful tools you can use, it comes off as a little bit more intimidating to a new user. There's a lot more buttons and words and everything. It's much harder to use. But I've noticed that Webull just released an update recently where they've worked on it. They definitely made it a lot more user-friendly. So I'm excited to see where this goes. Another reason why I think Webull is really gaining on Robinhood's market share of the new investor atmosphere and the free trading atmosphere is because of their insane sign-up bonuses. Honestly, right now, like I mentioned earlier, if you sign up, you'll get 2 free stocks if you sign up without putting any account details. And then once you put in your account details, you deposit $100, you get another 2 free stocks. But those 2 free stocks are worth like at least $8-9. So their offers are insane. And Robinhood does notice this. And they've actually, I don't know if you guys have noticed, they started offering 3 or 4 free stocks when you sign up as well. By the way, I got my referral link to Robinhood down here in the description as well, if you're interested. But going back to Webull sign-up bonuses, the 4 free stocks is just the tip of the iceberg. They continue to give you 2 free stocks every time you refer someone, as opposed to Robinhood, who was only given, I think, like 1 free bootleg stock. They give you like a $2 stock. Webull is very generous with this. In fact, out of all of the referrals, I know there have been at least 2 referrals that got me 8 or 10 free stocks, which is insane, especially when each stock is worth like $5, $6, $7 at least. It really starts to add up. And I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but Robinhood recently announced that they're going to allow users to buy IPO stocks, which, by the way, if you watch my video where I compared Robinhood and Webull, I actually mentioned how this was a very powerful point of Webull, where they allowed you to buy IPO months ago, like a long time ago. So Robinhood is definitely noticing Webull these days, and they're definitely getting worried, in my opinion. But yes, enough of that comparison. Like I mentioned, you can go watch my other video. Let's get down to my actual Webull portfolio. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and log into Webull now. Okay, as you guys can see, we have the refer a friend, get your 4 free stocks notification right there. free marketing. All right, so I'm gonna go to my portfolio. So as you guys can see, it's currently sitting at over $700, which, it might not seem like a lot. My Robinhood portfolio did hit 100K earlier this year before it dropped with the whole stock market crash. But $700, what I want to point out here is I've only deposited $100. That's the insane part. My account grew like, what, 700%? It's insane in less than a year. The remaining profit was either the stocks rising or the referral link bonuses that I've received from you guys. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. As you guys know, my channel's not monetized, so all the referral link bonuses really help support this channel. And I honestly believe that the sign-up bonuses Webull gives you right now will not last forever. So one of my big reasons for starting this video is that I wanted you guys to first of all, set up a Webull account and then start like sending out your referral links to other people. Grow your account. There's a lot of people out there that say they don't have the funds. This is an easy way to gain the funds, guys. Like, look at my account, $700, almost $1,000 in less than a year. So, I mean, we'll start off by going through the stocks. I have Cemex, which I'm not even sure what that is. I have 8 stocks of those. I have Antero Resources. Again, not sure what that is. Sweston Energy, not sure what that is, but I think it's related to the oil and energy sector. And again, we've noticed that those stocks have been going up, actually. AMC, that's a good one. So I received several stocks of AMC, but I think at some point I sold them and bought some of the, the SPACs like Lucid and ZEV. But yeah, AMC, I had a lot more. I wish I kept them. But anyways, as you can see, 440% up in AMC. Then I have GE, one of the only stocks that Webull gave me that I'm down in. And then CCIV and ZEV. These are stocks that I chose to buy. I actually thought that, I was going to sell all of the stocks and all of the stocks that I originally thought that I would sell all the free stocks I get on Webull and then just buy a bunch of CCIV and ZEV, just make it my high risk portfolio because, I felt like I really didn't have much to lose. And so I'm not doing that anymore. I'm just going to accumulate all the stocks. I might just sell a lot of these stocks and buy more AMC. I don't know. But yeah, that's basically my portfolio. I also have some cash balance that I've received from selling stocks in the past. So yeah, I mean overall it's a $700 account with only depositing $100. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps out the channel, brings it to a bigger audience. Thanks. All right, continuing, we can also go check out the profit and loss. So it shows that overall in the last 6 months, I'm still down $125, which means my account could potentially be over $800 once the stock market recovers. So, I mean, these are just a lot of cool, interesting features that Webull has. My top gainers, AMC, Palantir, and then losers are all of these. I've lost a decent amount. And then it breaks it down by the calendar days as well. It's actually really interesting. A lot of cool features in here. So if you go back to assets, actually, if you go to messages, so if you go to messages, over here in the top right, you'll see a promotion center. That's actually where you can see all the different promotions that Webull has right now to gain free stocks. But if you click on your icon on the top, that circular icon on the top right, the first tab on that will say My Free Stock. A lot of people, after the update on Webull, they kind of made it more difficult to find out where your free stocks are. I don't know why. It's just more confusing now. So when you click on that and you click My Free Stock, it shows all of the free stocks that you have and if you're eligible to click on free stock. So if you've never done it, I highly recommend that you go there and click My Free Stock just to see if you have any available. And that's where you can see if any offer was redeemed and you have the chance to pick out stocks. So that's definitely an interesting one as well. And with that being said, I'll end the recording here. And I just want you guys to know that my goal here in this video is to motivate you to start out your Webull account and just start referring people. There's a lot of people out there that say they don't have the funding necessary and all that stuff. And, as you guys can see, you can get a decent sized account simply by referral links on Webull. It'll definitely help you get started. I wouldn't be surprised if in a few months I hit $1,000 on this account. So definitely give it a shot and just get started, guys. That's the biggest thing. So if you got value out of this video, definitely think about, joining our Patreon page. It's only $10 a month to help support the channel. And also Webull, sign up using my referral link below, get 4 free stocks. And with that being said, guys, aim high, don't be shy, and thanks for watching the Ikhanic Show.